Airplanes are like children. Each plane has its own personality and its own character. I've worked at Antonov for more than 50 years and have witnessed thousands of our planes taking to the skies. Every time we produce a new airplane, I feel a sense of happiness that is as powerful today as it was in the beginning. It is my pleasure to introduce Antonov's latest model, the AN-178. This new Antonov model has been designed to carry a wide range of loads, including commercial cargoes and marine containers. It can accommodate parachutists and airdrops. The AN-178 can land and take off from non-asphalt runways. It comes complete with hermetically sealed cabin and state-of-the-art flight deck, allowing the plane to land in even the most difficult weather conditions. The AN-178 is suitable for use for medical and firefighting purposes, as well as a range of additional specialized functions. I am confident that this plane has a very big future.